Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a news feed on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve a news feed on Facebook, you should just go to Settings. After that, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Facebook app. Then this page of app info, you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. Here we can click on storage. After that, you'll go to clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.